In this lesson, you will learn how to say thank you in Urdu language and how to respond. Let's have a start. Thanks, shukriya, shukriya, shukriya. That's mean thanks. Thank you, आपका शुक्रिया, आपका शुक्रिया. आपका mean your and shukriya mean thanks. आपका शुक्रिया, that's mean thank you. Next we have thank you very much. आपका बहुत शुक्रिया, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. बहुत mean very much. Let's have a quick revision. Thanks, शुक्रिया, thank you, आपका शुक्रिया, thank you very much, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया. These are three different ways to say thanks in Urdu language. Now we will learn how to respond thanks by saying welcome. Welcome, खुश आमदीद, खुश आमदीद. Actually it's a one long word and I write in different color so that easy to pronounce it. So say खुश and then say and then say देद. खुश आमदीद, that's mean welcome. No problem, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. Usually it's mean doesn't matter, but it's also used to respond welcome. Next we have it's okay, ठीक है, ठीक है. Usually it's mean it's fine. Let's have a quick revision. Welcome, खुश आमदीद, no problem, कोई बात नहीं. Usually it's mean doesn't matter. We can also use this sentence to accept sorry. If someone say I am sorry or you want to say don't mention, then you can say कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. And last it's okay, ठीक है. Usually it's mean it's fine. We can also use it to respond welcome. This is end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe us if you are new to our channel. We teach Urdu writing, Urdu reading, Urdu speaking, how to cook Pakistani food, and other than this we also talk about Pakistani culture. Subscribe us now to continue your learning. Have a nice day. See you in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz.